Breezy Christopher?
I'll put his channel in the description.
Alright. Man, this is a new shirt too.
Alright, I stopped it.
At least I got pop in my shirt. Oh, amazing.
Yeah, all of you stay away from me.
I stopped it, Chris.
Look, this tastes like, you know that Pepsi chopstick? What it tastes like?
The fuck?
You got a shirt I can wear?
Huh?
You got a shirt I can freaking wear?
Yeah, come here. I sound like a freaking rapist. Like, yeah, come here. I'm totally not gonna freaking rape you.
Need a bag to put the shirt in.
Here, take this shirt.
Wow. Let me see the video. You're gonna put it on, I'm like, what did I say? I'm Christopher from Breezy Christopher?
No,
What did I say then?
I don't know. You just said hi, I'm Chris, and that's what I'm gonna put it. I don't know how to freaking put your name in the freaking channel.
Just go, look up for Breezy Christopher and subscribe to him.
I did.
You got a shirt?
I just got it. I don't know where the freak it went. I got something I want to say.
Shirt. I don't like school.
You're. I thought you were holding it.
No, this is my wet one. You know what I mean?
Sir, well, let's shirt down. I got something I want to see. Here, Chris. Chris, here.
Will, where do you guys keep all your bags? Which one is this?
It's not a school shirt, but it has a collar, I think.
Nope. Where's all the bags? I need to put this in a bag.
I don't know.
I could just go shirtless, you know.
I gotta go change.
I'm going back out there.
Yeah, me too, but not right now.
I'm going right now. Keeping that shirt there. Where should I put this shirt? So it doesn't soak up the place.
Here.
Put it up there. I was going to put it over there. I'm going to just throw it outside the way there. What's my eye look like? Can't really tell the difference. I mean, I can see and stuff, but I think I got pop in it. Okay, what does the video look like? I don't know. Let me watch it before I go back out there. Where is your phone? It's over here.
You can't watch it yet because I still need to upload it.
I know, but let me watch it like on your phone.
Yeah, when it's uploaded on YouTube.
Okay.
Probably gonna take.
Put it up.
It actually takes really, like short amount of time. I can't put it over now because I need to get dressed.
When mine's like a 50-second video, it only takes 2 minutes.
A 50-second video, mine probably takes not even 50 seconds. I'll show you, cause yeah, I need to get dressed. Okay, so my friend, he doesn't know that I'm still recording, so I'm gonna end it here and pretend like I was still recording. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.